In this video, we will look at the Canary Admin Client and cover some of its basic functionality and how to navigate it. The Admin Client is used to administer the Canary system and is installed automatically anywhere a Canary service is installed. The client itself can be installed separately on an admin user's local machine if they so wish. Watch the Installing Client Applications video from the Getting Started series if you'd like to do this. When you first open the admin, you'll be presented with a login screen. By default, Canary uses Windows Active Directory for authentication. But as you can see, other options can be enabled through the Identity service, which we will look at in a later video. Once logged in, you will be presented with several tiles depending on the services that are installed. In this particular example, we are looking at a historian server. At a minimum, the client will include the services, messages, and admin tile. At the top, we can see who is logged in and which admin service we are connected to. In this case, we are connected to the admin service on the local machine. By using this box, I can type in the server name or IP address of another Canary server on the network and connect to its admin service. Once connected, the name will be saved in the drop-down list. This may be useful for an admin user who has the client installed locally on their machine. Instead of remoting into another Canary server, they can simply use the admin to connect. If we open the Services tile, we will see all the services that are installed and can stop and start them as needed. The admin and identity service can only be restarted. The Stop and Start All buttons will stop and start all services with the exception of admin and identity. If these need stopped, the user can open Windows services. You will notice that all of Canary services are configured to start up manually with the exception of the Canary Service Starter. This is by design. The Canary Service Starter is responsible for starting up Canary services in a particular order. If I stop the admin service, you will notice that the client will time out and a red banner will appear at the top. This error appears anytime the admin client cannot connect to the admin service because it is not running, a network issue is preventing the connection, or the admin service does not exist on the machine you are trying to connect to. When you drill into a particular tile, you can navigate to different screens by clicking the tabs at the bottom. If that screen has any submenus, tabs will appear on the left-hand side. Click the Home tab at the top to go back to the home screen or exit the tile you are currently in. As you open various tiles, their screens remain open to allow the user to switch back and forth until they are closed. In our next videos, we will look more in depth at the individual tiles within the Canary admin. Thanks for watching.